Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Johnny. And here is the Catskill News.
As we wrap up our final news of the year, we want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays here at Catskill.
May your break be filled with joy, rest, and time with the people who matter most, and the new year bring health and happiness to our entire school community.
We also take a moment to think of those who may have less during the season and hope the spirit of the holidays brings comfort, kindness, and hope to all.
From all of us at Catskill News, have a joyous holiday season and a wonderful new year.
We're in the middle of our holiday dress-up days. Today is festive dress-up day, Monday is holiday pajama day, and Tuesday was ugly sweater day. But now we are off on Tuesday.
This week, we delivered Santa's Helper baskets to families in need throughout our community. This time-honored Catskill tradition is truly one of the best things we do, and it is made possible by the generosity and dedication of our Catskill student government, volunteers, and community. Thank you to everyone who helped bring support and kindness to the holiday cheer to local families.
Here's our weekly principal discussion with Johnny.
Hi, I'm John McKenna, and I'm here with
Miss S.
So we're about to enter the holidays. How does your family like to spend your holidays and like Christmas?
So we always host Christmas, and we have about 20 people that come to our house every Christmas. So we've already started all of our meal prep. My husband is Italian, so we do eggplant parm and sauce and meatballs, and we make handmade pasta. And my kids always help with that, and his mother comes over, so it's basically family time, preparing food ahead of time, decorating Christmas cookies, all of that great stuff. What about you?
Yeah, we decorate Christmas cookies, and then we just like have a dinner, and we open presents in the morning.
Yeah.
But we don't do like that big thing. That sounds amazing though.
It's a lot of work, but it's good.
Do you have a New Year's resolution?
Yes, I have been thinking about going back to school for a while, but I haven't really made a specific plan for it. I'd like to go back and get my doctorate. So my plan for the new year, my New Year's resolution is to narrow down some doctorate programs that I can go to, because I'd like to go and continue to learn. So that's what I'm going to be working on starting in the new year. What about you?
That's awesome. Heal up, obviously.
Back on
And
crutches,
then,
I see.
My ultimate goal this year is to win the states in wrestling, and then baseball to at least win like a sectional championship.
Nice. Awesome.
And then, so have you been able to get to the sports events recently? Like we just started basketball pretty recently.
So I've been to a couple of basketball games. I'm actually going to be at the games on the 23rd. Is that basketball? Whatever games are on the 23rd, I'm going to be at those games. So I'm pretty sure it's basketball, and I'm excited to go because now I'm starting to understand it a little bit more, and now I'm kind of like, I'm into it. I like how quick it is. There's not a lot of downtime. There's not a lot of, waiting. It's just quick, which I really enjoy.
Yeah, it's very enjoyable. Well, thank you. I hope you have a great day.
All right, you too.
Here's our Catskill Sports report with Caden.
I'm Caden, and who am I here with?
Preston Cruz.
What grade are you in and what sport do you play?
I'm a junior. I play volleyball.
How have the two first games of the season gone?
Two first games are good. We played well, and we have a lot of heart on the team.
Were you happy with your performance?
Yes.
What are your goals for the rest of the season?
Our goals for the rest of the season is to win and dominate into the Section 2 conference and champions.
How are you going to accomplish these goals?
By having the right mindset and making sure our team is just having fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please be mindful when signing out on Pick My Kid. If you are going to a destination for more than 5 minutes, be sure to use a one-way pass. Students should also remember to complete their pass as soon as they arrive at their destination.
Please make sure students remain in class until the bell rings. Early dismissal from class should not be happening. Thank you for keeping everyone on track.
Our Veterans Day celebration honored our local veterans that served, and it is an annual tradition here at Catskill.
Hello, what's your name?
Patrick McCullough.
Why do you think it's important for Catskill High School to celebrate Veterans Day?
To show appreciation for those that sacrificed so much for our country.
What's your name and what you serve in?
Gordon Mosier. I'm the commander of Athens Post. I served in the United States Air Force from 1972 to 1992.
Why do you think it's important for Catskill High School to celebrate Veterans Day?
I think it's important for all young students to know what the veterans do for them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name and what you serve in?
I served in the Army. I was in the first class of women in peace since World War II. They disbanded them in World War II when the men came home, and they started it up again in the 70s.
Why do you think it's important for Catskill High School to celebrate Veterans Day?
Well, a lot of people died for this country, and I think that's the least we can do.
Hi, what's your name?
Deputy Wyatt.
Why do you think it's important for Catskill High School to celebrate Veterans Day?
I think it's important just from a historical standpoint. You guys have real live people that have seen things that have been written in the history books and that you learn about today, and you can learn them from a first-hand person, and that's unfortunately something that's not always going to be there.
Alrighty, thank you. Hello, what's your name?
Zach.
Why do you think it's important for Catskill High School to celebrate Veterans Day?
I mean, it's important for everybody to acknowledge what people have done, and the freedoms that they get to enjoy is given to us by people who have to pay, often with their lives. So it's important to recognize that for everybody. So glad everybody's doing it.
John Xanthus.
Why do you think it's important for our schools to celebrate Veterans Day?
I think for schools and communities and everyone throughout the United States, it's to keep the story alive and to thank our veterans for their service and what they've done to make this the greatest country in the world.
Hello, what's your name?
Tom Andreessen.
What did you serve in?
I served in Vietnam, 2 tours in Da Nang, Vietnam.
Why do you think it's important for this school to celebrate Veterans Day?
Because without the veterans, you wouldn't have a school.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Jonathan Hummel.
Why do you think it's important for our school to celebrate Veterans Day?
Our school's important to celebrate Veterans Day due to the amount of respect we can show them. Serving for our country is very important.
Students failing 2 or more classes should remain in study hall unless they are meeting with the teacher to make up work. Students participating in sports or extracurricular activities may be required to stay after school for academic support. Take advantage for the extra help and stay on track. Your effort now makes a difference.
Hey Catskill, I'm Grayson Ferretti and here's your safety fact of the week. If you encounter an electrical fire, the first thing you should always do is call the fire department. One important safety rule people not know is that you never use water on an electrical fire. Water conducts electricity. If the power is still on, then you could be electrocuted or shocked. Firefighters avoid using special agents like dry chemicals or foam that are designed for electrical and flammable fires. If it's safe, you can do it quickly and cut the power into the area or the entire building. If the fire is very small, you can use an ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher or sodium bicarbonate, which is also baking soda, to help it smolder. But remember, only try this if the fire is small and you have a clear exit. I'm Grayson Freddy and that was your safety fact of the week.
Our CTA program continues to set the standard by taking learning beyond the classroom and into our community. By connecting students directly with local businesses, CTA gives students first-hand exposure to real industries, careers, and workplace expectations.
This week, our hospitality and tourism class toured and interviewed the chef and manager at Stewart House in Athens. Students gained a first-hand look at what it takes to run a restaurant. Another excellent real-world learning experience for our CTE students at Catskill.
Every other Wednesday, our CTE classes run a Created by Cats delivery cart, offering 2 drinks choices for $2 and 2 snack choices for $3. CHS and CMS staff can place orders for periods 5 to 9, and students will deliver right to your room.
What about some student pop culture?
I'm Preston Cruz, and this is Student Pop Culture. What's your name and grade?
Jeremiah, a freshman.
I'm Riley, and I'm in 10th grade.
Grayson, and I'm in 10th.
What are you excited for this Christmas break?
To play basketball and have no school.
Hanging out with family and friends.
I'm excited to visit friends and family and celebrate the birth of Christ.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's Chase with the joke of the week.
Hello, I'm Chase and this joke of the week. Hello, what's your name?
John.
Mrs. Riley.
Why did a poodle buy a cock?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
I don't know why.
He wanted to be a watchdog.
That's actually pretty good.
That's pretty funny.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year, Catskill. Cats can and cats will.